What's up, everyone? Got another product. It came in the mail today. Excited. Saw it advertised on Instagram. Saw the videos. Had to check it out. Here's my package from Select Tool. We'll open them. All right, 2 of 2. Oh my God. All right, 1. You see, it says 2 of 2. If you can see it. Hold on. I'm trying to hide my 2 of 2. 1, 2, 3 sharpeners. Oh my God, I wasn't expecting more than 2. That's awesome. I saw him sharpen axes, straight razors, old scissors, lawnmower stuff. And I got a few straight razors that I haven't been able to try out because they didn't come shave ready. So I will have videos for you, in my opinion. It has a barcode you can scan right there to watch a video. It says, watch this amazing video, sharpselecttools.com, before opening this. So, again, I have the lawn knives. If this works like it claims to work, I will keep one of these in my bartending bags. And when you're doing private bartending, you need a sharp knife to cut fruits. So, again, I'll have another video of me doing it. I got some more stuff coming in the mail. So be on the lookout on my IG and YouTube. So I'm gonna look this up, and then lifetime warranty, made in the USA, made in North Carolina. So if you want American-made product, check this out. Check this video out. So I'm not gonna worry about it until I come back into town after next week. So I'll have update videos of this product on here in my YouTube. So much love and respect. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Until next time, be kind, be there, and be true to yourself and your family and friends. And then we can all get wrapped up in this social media lifestyle. And don't forget about people that may need to talk. Until next time, be easy. And I'm out.